This is how we make a magic circle for crocheting projects. Start with a yarn on your hand, at the back of your hand, you secure it, hold it with your thumb in place, around your 2 fingers, and you have a crossover here. Turn it over and secure it with your little finger, grab your hook, and you go under that first one and grab the second one, pull it through and twist, and then we're going to do a slip stitch. So grab that one there, and then we just pull that through, and there's your slip stitch. So now we're going to crochet single crochets into the middle of this magic circle. So get your tension right on your yarn, holding this, and let's go. Yarn over, through both, through the magic circle, yarn over and again through both. Yarn over, through both. Yarn over, through both. Usually with these projects we will do 6 of these single crochets. And the way you count how many you've done is you see the V's. Just take the hook out and show you. You see the V's here? We count the V's. So there's 1 V, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we'll do one more. And take your hook out, and this is how you finish your magic circle. So find the shorter piece of yarn, and then you just gently start pulling it, and it will close up that circle. And you just keep gently pulling that until that centre bit's fully closed. So there's your tail, and you put your hook back in, tighten your tension up a little bit, and then you keep crocheting from there with your project.